does boat stand for? Bring on another 1,000. So here we go. Brand new engine mount. Before and after. Bay is painted, so time to get installing. Not too much water actually. There's a little paper towel that I put down there and it soaked everything up. So yeah, not too bad actually. Well, holy crap. Rerouted the fuel lines. Return, encase the wires in protective sheathing. Put the fuel lines through protective sheathing, ran it through. That was like, yeah, that was a chore. So the mounts are in. I repositioned the fuel shutoff and the fuel lines. Everything runs cleanly up and out of the bilge. So the only thing running through the bilge is the steering cable. There's really nowhere else for it to go. So now I'm going to hoist the engine. And what I want to do is run this bar through. I got a piece of Dyneema, which I'm going to attach the chain hoist to, and hopefully I can just maneuver it using blocks into position. It's really a two-man job, but there's only one man here.